Hello everyone, I wanted to welcome you to ACC 100. This is Introduction to Financial Accounting, and I just wanted to walk you through your course really quick. Up at the top here, make sure that you always read the announcements. The most recent announcements will show here at the top, but if you ever want to review them all, you can go here to Announcements, and then on the left-hand menu, you have announcements. You can access your course syllabus here, the modules, your grades. Zoom is a meeting tool. And then down here, I wanted to point out you have the Hatch Library people. This allows you to contact anyone in the class. You can email, also email me through here. You have the Hatch Library if you need to do any research, and then tutor.com, online tutoring and homework help. If you need help, you can come here, click on this, and then you scroll down and select your topic. And so for this class it would be business, and then, I don't know if I can do this with let me move my camera out of the way. And then you select accounting here, and then you can just type in your question. You can select I want to tutor with voice chat, and then click connect now. So that's really nice if you are working on your homework and you get stuck. You can pop on here and get a tutor. It gives you 20 hours. Live one-to-one help is available now. So really good tool for you to use. Real-time voice chat, built-in graphing calculator, rich text editor, and multi-language code editor. So make sure to use that if you need it during the class. We're going to take a quick look at the modules now. So at the top, you'll see Introduction and Course Resources. The purpose of financial accounting. Here again is your tutor link. Did I plagiarize? So a little information to help you understand what plagiarism is so that you can avoid it. Here's a link for free Office 365 for students. And here's your course textbook for financial accounting, and then the question and answers form. So if you have a general question that you think the entire class can benefit from, you can post it here in question and answers. I try to check that forum on a daily basis and get back to you within 24 hours. If you have a personal matter, it's best to email me. And let's take a quick look at your course textbook. You'll click here, Load Course Textbook in a new window. So it's going to open up here. Give it just a moment. Okay, and so scoot this over just a little if I can grab a hold of it. Okay, and so here you have your table of contents is on the left and goes through all the different chapters, and everything's pretty right here. I'm going to slide it over so we can see a little more. Even if you need the citation, they have this here. And then there are videos embedded right in the textbook, okay? So make sure that you review all of the videos and just read through everything. And at the end of each chapter, you have some end of chapter exercises. So if you wanted practice, or sometimes you might be directed to these. So just to know that they are at the end of the chapter. And there's questions, true or false questions, multiple choice, things like that. All right, so let's go back into the course. And we're going to reload modules. I'm just going to click on modules again. I'm going to scroll down. We're going to take a quick look at week 1. Okay, so week 1 is on normal balances. Let's see, that clicked away too quickly. Let me go back. It's on normal balances, transaction processing, and entries. Okay, so in every chapter, or every module, it's going to kind of look like this. You're going to have a little overview here, and then you have your competencies and outcomes, your course competencies and your learning outcomes. Read through those so you have a general idea of what you should be learning before you even get started. And then you have a to-do list. So in chapter 1, module 1, we're doing chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is a presentation. This is the PowerPoint for week 1, so you can click here to download it. And there are flashcards and practice quizzes, and those are actually in your Flat World materials. You'll see those when you log into your textbook. And then here are the videos that they're wanting you to watch. And so make sure you just watch all of these videos. And then the graded work is listed at the below. The discussion is cash basis accounting and accrual basis accounting. So you're going to be talking about each type and comparing them. And then the week 1 problem set, you'll do the recognition of normal balances, basic transaction processing, and entry and trial balance preparation. Okay, so that's it for week 1. And I just wanted to introduce you, kind of take you through the classroom a little bit and show you around. We'll go back to the modules. Let's quickly go into the course textbook because one more time. Oh, I think I already had it open, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you where the supplements are, the quizzes and the flashcards. So if you can see here at the bottom, the very bottom, here are your flashcards. This is just a little quiz for you to do, to practice, and then any other supplements would be right here, okay? And any downloads you would have. So it's just at the bottom of the page on the textbook. All right, so that's it. That pretty much introduces you to the class. Don't forget you have tutor help. You have the question and answer forum if you need to ask me a general question, anything personal about grades or illness or anything like that. It's probably best to email me. But if it's a general question that you think the whole class could benefit from and you don't mind them seeing the answer, then you can post in the question and answer forum. All right, have a great day, everybody, and I will see you in the discussion.